Hey, fifth grade mathers, here we are on page 171, remembering everything we've been learning about rounding. Woohoo! Who's excited? We are, because we have been rounding for like all of our lives, people. So this is not as hard as we think it is. Okay, so look at class practice number 1. It says draw and label points to show the approximate location of 90, 220, 330, 160, 310, 50, 180, 290, and 330. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Do not act like you don't know what it's asking you to do when I'm going to do 2 of them for you. Okay? 2 of them for you. At least help you. Okay? So listen carefully. You have 1. Let's count them. Let's look at all the numbers you have to put on this number line, okay, in your book. Look at all the numbers that you have to put on there. 90, 220, 30, 160, 310, 50, 180, 290, 330. You need to have 9 points on this number line with the number written underneath of it. That's what they're asking you to do, guys. Estimate where exactly that number is. Like, look, for instance, look at 90. The first number that you have there is 90. Okay, well, here's 0. Here's 100. Obviously, that means in the middle is 50. So where do you think 90 is going to go? It's going to go very close to 100, you guys. So I'm going to put my little line right here with a point and say that that's 90. Don't you agree? It's very close to 100. 50 is one of them, and I just gave it to you. So you're going to have 50 here. Then go crossing it out. When it's on the list right here, 900, 290, 220, 160. Cross it out when you find it and put it on the number line. Then you know that you are done with that one. And you can do the rest until you have them all crossed out. Then you know you put them all on there, okay? Don't just mess around and play with it and say like, oh, Miss Jessica won't say anything. No, you need to do it well. Look at the next one. It's 220. Well, you have, this is 200, right? So where's 220? It's just a little after 200. So you put your point and put 220 and then cross it out. Then you know that you're done with it, and that's it. Okay, you're working on your rounding. You're working on what's closer to 100, what's closer to 200, what's closer to 50, blah, blah, blah. In your head so you can see it visually. That's what you do for the rest of those. Don't forget, you're looking for 9 numbers. I just did 3 of them for you. That means you only have to do 6 more. So do it well. Look at number 2. Round off these numbers using the rounding rule. Okay, so look, you have this number right here, 346,285, right? First, it says to round it to the thousands place. Round it to the thousands place. I'm going to show you how to do this for each the thousands, the hundreds, and the tens, and then you got to do the rest of the table by yourself. I'm going to do 1 more or maybe 2 more with you. When we're rounding to the thousands place, it means that we're deciding on this one. Are we staying the same or going up? But we have to look at the 2. So remember our little hill. Let's create some room here. Okay, remember our hill. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it's 4 and below, it stays the same. If it's 5 and above, it goes up. So you look at the 2, that's 4 and below, so it stays the same. 346,000 because we rounded to the thousands place. But now look, now it wants us to round to the hundreds. So now we're looking at the 2. Is it going to stay the same or go up? Well, what do we have to look at? The 8. Does that make it go up or stay the same, Sama? Ooh, Sama's not in 5th grade. Danielito. It goes up. Okay, good. So it goes 346,300 because that 8 makes the 2 go up. Okay, then we look at the tens place, the 8. Is it going to stay the same or go up, Oscar, by looking at the 5? The 5 makes it do what, Oscar? Go up. So now your answer is going to be 346,290. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's do 9,016. First, we round to the thousands place. So we have the 9. We have to look at the 0. Does the 0 make it go up or stay the same? Dueno? Stay the same. 9,000. Okay, look at the hundreds place. That's the 0. Does the 1 make it go up or stay the same, Andres? Stay the same, so it's going to go 9,000 again. Okay, the tens place, that's the 1. Look at the 6. Does the 6 make it go up or stay the same, Mario? Go up. So now it's going to be 9,020. Okay, go ahead and try letter C, the 12,542, and we'll check it together. Go ahead and do that right now. Okay, let's do it, guys. Stop your video if you need more time. The 1,000 place is your 2, so you look at your 5. Does it go up or stay the same, Abiel? The 2 goes up, so it's going to be 13,000. Good. Okay, look at the 100. That's the 5. So we're going to decide on the 5 by looking at the 4. Does the 4 make it go up or stay the same? Ethan? Stay the same. Good. 12,500. Then we're using the 4. Does the 2 make it go up or stay the same, Frankie? Stay the same. 12,540. There you go. Okay. That's how you do that table. Look at number 3. This one you're rounding to the million. To the millions place. I'm just going to help you with 1, and then the rest is up to you. We look. Okay, the 9 is in the millions place, right? Because here's your ones, tens, hundreds. These are all your thousands. Then this is your millions. Anything after that's your 10 millions, 100 millions, etc. This is your millions place. So now you need to decide if this one's going to go up or stay the same by looking at your what? Your 4. So tell me, Frankie, does it go up or stay the same by looking at your 4? Stay the same. Excellent. So the answer you're going to write in the blank is what? 9 million. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Look at number 4, letter A. Faith Christian Academy bought 892 reading books for $9.98 per book. What was the total cost? What do you have to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Multiply. Go for it. Okay? Then look at letter B. 8 people want to enter an elevator with a maximum weight capacity of 500 kilograms. Okay, so they want to get in the elevator, but the elevator can only hold 500 kilograms. Their weights are 81, 97, 69, 75, 74, 96, 86, and 53. What is their total weight? And can they all go in the elevator? Tell me yes or no. Can they all go in the elevator? What's their total weight? What do you have to do? You decide. Total's easy, you guys. And then can they go in the elevator? Are they under 500 or no? Okay? And then look at your division. Don't cast out 9s. Just do them normal. But make sure you do them and make sure you do what? Check them. Thank you. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.